I can't do laundry. I can't do laundry. I can't go to party. I can't go to party. I can't clean the kitchen. I can't clean the kitchen. I can't find my wallet. I can't find my wallet. I can water the plants. I can water the plants. I can't stay up late. I can't stay up late. I can call my friend. I can call my friend. I can't finish this now. I can't finish this now. I can write an email. I can write an email. I can't attend the class. I can't attend the class. I can walk the dog. I can walk the dog. I can't eat spicy food. I can't eat spicy food. I can take a nap. I can take a nap. I can drive at night. I can't drive at night. Please like, subscribe, share, and comment.